What is happening, everybody? I just wanted to jump on here real quick and take a couple minutes to talk about something that I've been getting a handful of questions about over these past few days after the holidays. People coming out of the woodwork asking like, hey, we're looking to buy like late spring, early summer, 4, 6, 8 months down the line. Should we start looking into things now, or should we kind of pump the brakes a little bit until it gets closer to that time? Short answer is no. It's never too early to start looking, or at least start getting your ducks in order to be the best prepared that you can be when the time comes to pull the trigger on something. One main thing, one reason that I personally would have you sit down and talk to a mortgage lender, even this early in the game, would just be to kind of put a game plan together. I mean, if you've never done this before, you may not know that, those couple stupid little credit card bills from Macy's and Best Buy or whatever could really kind of screw you over credit-wise, and kind of knowing what you should knock out now to give you the best chance to, increase your score to wherever you need to be to, one, be able to qualify for your loan, and two, to get a better interest rate and, things of that nature. Number two, outside of the pre-approval process, just kind of get with an agent and have them kind of set you up to start seeing like what's on the market, what's coming on, what's selling, the price range, and the areas that you think you're going to be in. Just kind of familiarize yourself so you're not going into something blind. And yeah, you guys all trust us to like give you the information, and that's awesome. Most of us are great, and we're going to give you the best information that we can, but it's also nice for you to be able to kind of sit back and have the peace of mind of you being able to understand the market a little bit too, and so you can kind of know, hey, am I getting a good deal? Am I not? Just a little background information definitely goes a long way. And the third most important thing would be to actually see, one, if you can buy. I've had a few people in the past couple months come to me and be like, hey, Chris, I quit my job 6 months ago and I started a contracting business, or I'm delivering something. I have my own thing going and I'm killing it. I've made 70, 80 grand in the past 6 months. I'm on par to make 200K this year. It's going to be great. I can buy all this stuff. And what really sucks is you really, for the most part, can't do much with that money as far as qualifications for a loan goes. It sucks. It's frustrating as hell. And I'm right there with everybody that, can't wrap their head around why they can't use that money. But, with regulations to be able to show like, hey, this income is going to be steady in most situations. That's going to kind of have to be there for at least 24 months to be able to use that income to qualify for a mortgage. If anybody would have any further questions with stuff like this, feel free to give me a shout. I have a few lenders that I work with and would be more than happy to set you up to talk to someone on that end. And as far as to start looking in areas and price ranges and things of houses that you may want to get into in the next 4, 6, 8 months, we can kind of sit down and game plan around that conversation now as well. So anything that I can do, feel free to reach out, send a DM, text message, call, whatever you can do, and look forward to hearing from you.